Use blush palette and then translucent powder so that it gives you a matte look. Cholos, not good. Smashbox. Gloss first and then lip liner. Crack all this like this. I used to enjoy it. Maybe I'm still enjoying it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and as you all has asked me to make a makeup tutorial, so I'm not a pro in makeup, but I have this very minimalistic makeup art that I do on my face. So let's get started. I think in my previous reels or somewhere they said done my brows before makeup, before vlogging, but I didn't do any brows because I do not know how to do brows makeup, right? So I did this like microblading. I don't know if you know it or not. So yeah, this is all done from before. So firstly, my makeup routine would be moisturizer. Next, I'll be putting face base. This is not sponsored. This is from Bobbi Brown. It's face base. This is very good, by the way. Next, I'll just be using concealer. I do not use foundation most of the time. I'm not able to open this. The struggle is real. And then, oh yeah, before that, I always put lipstick under my eyes. Here. I don't remember why I used to put it, because the color of my skin right from here and here, the texture is different. So I didn't learn this anywhere. My friend taught me. My friend did it like before, and then since then I have been copying that, and it helps actually. And then concealer. I just put it three and about here. That's it. And blend it. Blend. So we are done with this blending and everything. They're almost over actually. So I use my lipstick as my blush again. So I'll just put this here. We're almost over. Last but not the least, we are going to use translucent powder. So, also, do not ignore your neck. I'm not going anywhere outside today. It's just a tutorial, so I'm ignoring this part. But you do not. So this part, I'll just apply it here. Keep it just like that. This side as well. Keep it just like that. Here. You put translucent powder palette and then you use it blush, but I use blush palette and then translucent powder so that it gives you a matte look. I don't know if anyone does that, but I do that to have that look. So yeah. And after you're done with your whole face, this is the time to blend here. See, it looks beautiful. It's almost done and it looks beautiful. Last but not the least, the lips. I have the Smashbox ones. Can someone please tell me how to sharpen this, because I haven't been able to do this. I have got a sharpener as well, which doesn't get sharpened at all. See, so it's of, it costed me like 2,500 or something that sort. Please, मैं बस एक बार use किया and then the nip of this pencil got broken and then I'm not able to use it now. So please, someone teach me how to sharpen this, because no sharpener is working right now. Such a loss. Not good, Smashbox. But then I have the Dior myself. So this is gonna be my lips. Lip gloss, lip plum. And touch the angelic lips that every girl needs. So it's done. After this, if you could have just, put a little bit of lip liner. I get it, you put lip liner first and then you do that, but I love to put my lip gloss first and then lip liner. It works magical. But for me, please, do not judge me. I am weird when it comes to makeup, but it works for me, so hope it works for you as well. And yeah, this is what I would have done, but it's not there, so yeah, okay. Also, this is lip plum, so it might take few minutes and then the full shade would come out. I also do eye makeup, but not that much. I would just put glitter on it here, and I'm not able to find my eyeshadow anywhere out here, but so it's okay. So that is it. Oh yeah, wait. Also, this is not the end of the vlog, because I have very exciting package that I've ordered recently. So I have been spending on my nails since forever, like since I knew that nails was a trend, that you have to keep it chic all the time. Well, I don't do fancy nails. I just paint it like wide or that sort, or extension, then all those how do I tell you, French nails. Those are what I used to do. I don't do it like very much of artwork. I do not like that much of artwork on my nails. So I thought, why spend so much money out there? Now that I'm growing, my dad used to tell me, okay, कि जब खुद earn करने लग जाओगे ना, तब पैसे के मूल्य समझ में आएगा. So now I'm understanding पैसे का मूल्य. I don't know how it's pronounced. If I'm wrong, I'm so sorry. But yeah, the value of money is like, you can understand the value of money once you earn. So now that I'm earning, I am understanding that. Maybe not that much, but little, okay? So I planned on not doing extensions anymore, but then get it done at home. So I ordered this. Ta-da! So this was open box, so I had to open them. And I should unpack all this gel polish that I ordered. So let's do it. So you know what? When I used to be a kid, whenever I used to get this kind of packages, I used to, crack all this like this. I used to enjoy it. Maybe I'm still enjoying it. So I got nail remover, nail paint, nail base, and top coat. So quite excited. Let me get my nails done and then show you all. Also, my cousin is here, so I'm gonna paint their nails as well and show you all. Love. I hope the money that I have spent over here, I hope I don't go out and spend it because I'm not liking my work. I'm not professional, but I hope this is easy. Maybe in another vlog I might show you if this is worth it.